Use the graph of y equals c times a to the x to find c and a. So to do that, we look at this graph, and we have a few points. For example, we have the point when x is 0, y is equal to 1. And we also have a few other points. Let's choose this one. When x is equal to -1, y is equal to +2. The reason that we pick this one is it allows us to determine what the value of c should be, because when we substitute in 0 for x, a to the 0 becomes 1 and we get y equals c. In other words, we'll have 1 equals c times a raised to the 0, so c is equal to 1. We'll use this point to evaluate the value of a, because now that we know c is 1, we would have 2 equals 1 times a raised to the -1. To solve for a, we could think of that as either 1 over a with a +1, and so therefore we would have 2 equals 1 over a, and multiplying both sides by a, we get 2a equals 1, and that means that if we have 2a equals 1, then a is 1/2. So we have a value of 1/2 for a and a value of 1 for c. The other smooth way of solving this would be to raise both sides to the -1 power, because a to the -1 to the -1 would be a to the +1. And then this would be 2 to the -1, which is 1/2. So either way you do it, we have c is 1 and a is 1/2.